Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be crab meat fried rice. Craving for some crabs? Here is how you can make use of them. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Simple preparation of the ingredients. Cut the broccoli into small sizes and leave the stems out. And that's all for your preparation, and the cooking begins. At high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, or preferably the wok. Like what Uncle Roger always says, you need some wok hey. Add in the garlic and stir fry them. Once they are going to turn brown, add in the eggs. Keep stirring them, and once they are cooked, add in the crab meat. Add more oil whenever needed. Once crab meat is hot, add in the rice. Separate the rice by pressing down and keep stirring. Once the rice is all separated, add in the broccoli and cook till soft. When the heat is right, you can see the rice happily jumping around. When they are almost cooked, add in the condiments. Mix well. And it's done! That's it! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!